Bethany Hospital Outreach Nongpoh kumgadak kajing Rakhe ya kajing dap Snem kajing Shaki jongka ya katain Nongpoh bakatain Ribhai kalap pelong ya ka drawing competition ka banta ki kana school ke bakatum no de lower primary upper primary hadu secondary section maka pang jongka ni Jingiakop drawing kalong healthy habits and effects of drugs hakani ka drawing competition la shemanta da ki kana school na ki shot ni ki school ke dona po Nongpoh Dr. CM Poshna oblong nodal officer Jingiakop hospital uletu baganika program kolong sibanta ban Rakhe yek Snem jongka jing Shakri ka Bethany hospital po Nongpoh uletu baga hospital ka sapulong ikuide ki program kan thopru ya ka program na pagi nurse bat ki doctor
everyone. Yes, this program is part of the Bethany hospital outreach since we have achieved 10 years on this 2024. So as we look back, we've seen that the hospital has been growing from strength to strength. And that it's not just because of us, it's because of the community who has been part of us. So when we were planning, we were thinking that what can we do where we can, the community can celebrate along with us in this 10 years achievement. So today's event is a drawing competition, drawing and painting competition, which is for the school children. We have 3 categories, right from juniors to seniors. So apart from this event, we have already planned other major events also. Example, we are going to still in the process 10 kilometers marathon, which is going to be open to all. And then there's academic programs also for doctors and nurses.